In this video, I will be showing you how to use the conditional fields in Airtable's form view. Alright, so when it comes to conditional fields, it's really simple to use. You just select which field that you want to set those conditions on. So for example, the description field, if we only want to show this field when certain conditions are met, all we need to do is toggle this checkbox here. We can select, just like the filters, we can select which particular fields we want to base this off of. So if we want to say when the category field is one certain thing, say fundraising, we can do that. We can also add additional conditions. So when the category is that and the name is not empty, for example, maybe we only want to show this field. We can also do things like add condition groups. So when the category is fundraising and the name is not empty, we could also do, let's say we'll add 2 of these. We'll say this can be one set of conditions. And then we can have an or statement here. We want both of these to be true. So we want either this group or this group to be true, but we want everything within these groups to be true within them. So where category is fundraising and name is not empty, or we could do something like when category is design brand and the logo is not empty. So these are really arbitrary examples, but those kind of illustrate how you would use the conditions. Depending on your particular form, it's obviously going to be very unique to what you need, but that is how you set up the conditions as well as the condition groups within that specific condition for that field. All right, that is how to use the conditional fields in Airtable's form view. Stay tuned for the next video.